Hi guys, this is Amar Ramesh and today I'm going to deconstruct a picture that I shot for my musician series. And the musician that I was working on was Pradeep Spursh, and he's a mridangam artist. As usual, I take my inspiration before the shoot happens from different areas. This time it was again Pinterest. I looked at a shot and then I really loved it, and I not only had that shot in mind, I had 5-6 shots that I wanted to work on and experiment for that day. And so I had these 5 shots in mind, and then we got into the shoot. And then while the shoot, something important happened. We got on a conversation, which is very important as a photographer. You have to converse with your subject, and then new ideas open up, new things open up. So when we were conversing, one of the topic that we spoke was the balance between an artist and a businessman. How an artist is also a businessman, and these two worlds should exist parallelly. What if I put half of Pradeep in the bright and half of Pradeep in the dark area, and then whatever, and there is another prop with him, which is the second subject, which is the mridangam, the instrument, and light that up in the darker side and then darken it up in the brighter side, kind of showing two worlds coexisting. And voila, that's how the shot was made. Take a look at it and let me know if you have any questions about this shot. Again, don't keep asking the same question, which light was used, because you can create this with any of the lights, because light is light, whether it's coming from a flash, strobe, whatever it is. You can recreate this shot with the simplest strobes that you have in hand, or the simplest speed lights that you have in hand. So if you have any other questions, let me know in comments and I would love to reply them. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful.